Post and Beam Lake Home on Portage Lake in northern Maine. Looking for a waterfront property in Aroostook County? One word adjectives to describe this property. Add space to the list. Add timber construction. Make sure you put on the top of the list that this is a waterfront. This is a home on a lake in northern Maine. Tons of closets. In fact, in the master bedroom, there's his, hers, and ours, and they're double-sized. No one ever complains there's too many closets, too much storage. This is a home. We're on Portage Lake. Portage Lake, 2,500 acres. This is no camp. Here's your property, tucked in the trees. Lots of white birches, other trees around your lake frontage. Maine Lake, Post and Beam Home. Here's a big one. It's wrapped in board and batten. This is your lakefront. Multi-zone, oil hot water, radiant heat. Lake Place on Portage. This one's no camp. Look at the garage, 24 by 24. See the sheetrock that's painted? See the post and beam, power door? This is a heated garage. There's a cozy. This is ideal to bring your snow sleds, four-wheelers, store your boat. It's a real garage. Plus there's another storage shed, about 12 feet wide. You don't have to put the door up every time you come and go. There are side entry doors. There also is a wood shed. Oversized. That's one word to describe this home that is ruggedly built, overbuilt. Close to 2,700 square feet. Plus you have a catwalk that's 24 feet long. This home has areas more than rooms. 2 levels. This is a post and beam. This has oil hot water multi-zone heating and radiant in places. Talk about waterworks. There's 3.5 bathrooms. The half bath has a laundry, and there's a closet. You could make it a 4th bathroom, but how many do you really need? This would be a side entry, and unlike a lot of waterfront properties, you have paved road frontage on a year-round road. There's not a scary road to come in that's basically taken care of by the homeowners association. You have your appliance garage. You have your natural wood closet doors. Lots of plug-ins with the 200 amp electric. You've got your dishwasher, your 5-burner glass top, your 3-door refrigerator. These are the silent close drawers that were a custom cabinet kitchen. There are 9 areas, not rooms, areas that all flow to make it feel large and spacious, because it is. See the tile behind the Vogelzang? These are a really good wood heater. You've got automatic oil furnace. You have lots of insulation. Sometimes a crackling wood fire is what you need after a day tramping in the North Maine woods. These are the 2 bedrooms that you have on the ground floor if someone just doesn't like to climb stairs. See the post and beam? And it has the post, the dowels. It's all mortised together. I'm used to seeing beams that are nailed into place. These are actually part of the skeleton, the frame of this. The basement's insulated foundation on both sides too. You wake up with the lake in your lap, a 2,500 acre lake, Portage Lake, and many other lakes around here too. Plus there's a golf course, snow sled trails. See where they hide the posts, the dowels? We'll get you in touch with the maker of this home, in case you want to add on. There's a bathroom in between these 2 bedrooms. More of that post and beam. It's not just a look in one of the bedrooms, it's the design, the structure. Your exterior is not vinyl sided, it's board and batten. Everything is natural wood. Maine is 91% wooded. This is a wooden structure. Tile floor in the bathroom. Again, 3.5 baths. This is the full one between the 2 bedrooms on the first level. Not just a vanity, we've got cabinetry. You have storage. This is a lakefront home, not a camp, not a cottage. See the tile on the top? This is a 1-piece tub and shower. You do have a tub because sometimes you want to soak after you've been out snow sledding, hunting, fishing, hitting the ruck trails. You had your Kenmore Elite 3-door refrigerator, dishwasher, the electric stove. Here's your stackable washer dryer. These are a nice cheerful red to match the cabinets. Again, lots of cabinets. More of the original doors that are made from northern Maine wood, not particle board. See the post and beam in the corner? This is a utility closet. This is where you hide your vacuum cleaner. Or you could put a shower in there if you want 4 full bathrooms. This bathroom is very convenient. It's right off the 24 by 24 garage with a radiant heat floor. We trotted up the stairs. We're up to the 2nd level. Here's the master bedroom with 3 double-sized closets. That catwalk is 24 feet long. You have about 4 skylights, but they don't feel like the flat kind. They're more built right into the roof line. I'm not sure if those are Velux, but the windows, for the most part, are Andersons. I even saw a Pella slider or 2 that are way oversized. There's your 3rd closet off the bathroom. See how they doubled up on windows on this dormer? See the other closet and this closet under the eaves? 1-word adjectives to describe this property. Add space to the list. I really like the color in this room. They put some red to go with the natural wood. Smart looking. More of the angles, the beams, and bigger than your average vanity. This one has a shower with a built-in corner seat and more of those beautiful doors. They cost more, that's why you don't usually see them. They're different than a 6-panel pine. These are big casement type windows that crank open. They fit a lot tighter. There's your woodshed. Plenty of parking. You can see who just drove in. You're going to be entertaining up in your northern Maine lake place. So you with me? You saw the 2 bedrooms downstairs. We just showed you a master bedroom. One of these bedrooms could be split in 2, or you have 2 more bedrooms and an office on the end that's on the north end. This is the bedroom I can see split. If you don't want it to overlook and have the balcony effect, close it in. Maybe it's not a bedroom. Maybe it's a den you work from. They have amazing internet in this location. Telecommute from home. See the catwalk? Again, that could be closed in. This could have an angled wall, so that little bed could have its own bedroom. This could be a place to have an extra bedroom if 5 is not enough. You could have more than a half a dozen bedrooms. Crank this window open and you can hear the loons on the lake in the middle of the night. It's architectural shingled roof that covers this 2,700 square foot structure on the waterfront in northern Maine. So there's the master bedroom way down on the south end. This could be made into a suite of 2 bedrooms. In the original blueprints, this was going to be a walk-in closet. It's now a den, an office. Everybody needs one of those. It has an octagon window. There's about 3 of them in the place. This is a nice little corner study or den. See the storage? Remember, storage, closets. That's on the list of the superlatives for this one. Been quite a while since we saw a bathroom. Remember, you could have 4 full baths if you put a shower in that utility closet where the vacuum was hidden. Remember that? Just rewind and you'll catch it the second time around like watching a movie more than once. Nice Anderson window for ventilation. This has got a beadboard white look for wainscoting and a shower. This one's a straight shower. The one in the master bedroom had a little seat in it. The layout becoming familiar? There's a lot to like. There's a lot to absorb. We get it. Let's go take a peek at the basement and give you the full 10-cent tour. Whatever was missing from the layout, you have a lot more room in a full basement, and a full basement underneath that garage that can be a workshop. Insulated blocks, concrete inside like an Oreo, styrofoam on both sides. I'll show you the cutout. Nice neat job with the 200 amp circuit breakers. Here's a hookup for a wood stove. See the double sliders? I think those are pellets like the ones upstairs to the deck. This is the oil hot water multi-zone furnace in the corner. This is underneath that deck. And check out the engineered flooring, so you don't need to have all kinds of interior lollycoms, although these are the big sturdy ones, not the wimpy made cheaply ones. 4 zones. This is a Weil McLean. Plus you also have some radiant heat out in that garage over the workshop we're going to show you. This is roughly 24 by 24. We'll post the blueprints to give you the exact sizes. See how they did the pecs and they put the radiant in? They also cross-bridged. But see the back and forth of the radiant heat? This is like new construction, about 2010, 2012. You have a drilled well, a full 1,000-gallon concrete septic. See the concrete in the center? See the big I-beams? This is what your foundation looks like. Styrofoam on the top, the bottom, concrete in the middle. I know, overkill, but not for the fellow that put this one together. Do it right or don't do it was his motto. Heck, you could put your Sea-Doo, your snow sleds, on a dolly and wheel them right in here so it's in a heated basement. That big window would easily let you bring them in. If you want an in-law apartment, maybe your mother and your mother-in-law are going to live with you. These could be apartments. Maybe you work from home and the den isn't big enough. This is the area for that. Airbnb it. Verbo it. There's always people looking for a place on a Maine lake in Maine. Questions? Fire away. We've done the best job we could to quickly take you through top to bottom, side to side, 590 West Road in Portage Lake, Maine. You've got questions about bank financing. Look down below. You'll find the price, links to more information, and how to get a hold of us. We'll see you next time on the Maine Real Estate Channel. This was a fun one to video. I hope you did a good job, that you found it interesting. And if you stuck around to the very end, thank you. Thank you for liking the video and subscribing to our channel.